Hidden in the green mountains of Scotland, there is a train ride like no other. This is the Jacobite steam train, one of the most magical journeys in the world. As the old steam engine moves through the Highlands, it takes you back in time, to a land of castles, legends, and peaceful beauty. The train crosses the famous Glenfinnan Viaduct, built over 120 years ago. It was opened in 1901 and is made of solid concrete, a wonder of its time. This very place was used in the Harry Potter films, where the Hogwarts Express rides through the clouds. But long before that, it was the land of the Jacobites, brave warriors who fought for their king. Glenfinnan is where Prince Charles Edward Stuart raised his flag in 1745, beginning the last Jacobite rising, a moment in history that still lives in these hills. Today, this train keeps the past alive, powered by steam, wrapped in mist, and surrounded by nature. Every journey is a reminder of Scotland's rich history and quiet magic. This is not just a train ride, it's a flight through time. It's the spirit of the Highlands, moving on rails.